There is a very high chance of downed trees, power lines, power outages on Tuesday, especially Tuesday night in Western Washington. Take a look at our observed wind speeds from Monday. It was blustery out there, 40, 50, even 60 mile per hour gusts recorded. And Tuesday night, much of the same. A second wind advisory has been issued for Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night. It's much of the same. 40, 50, 60 mile per hour gusts are expected. And the concern here is that wind alone can do damage, but our ground is really saturated right now because of all of this heavy rain the last 1 to 2 weeks. So it doesn't take much to blow a tree over. So I'm definitely keeping an eye on the potential for down trees, down power lines, and potentially highly impactful weather through Tuesday night, finally calming down by Wednesday morning.